The healthcare and frontline workers who will be inoculated in the first phase of the vaccination drive against COVID 19 starting Saturday will have no option to choose from the two vaccines that have been given emergency use approval, the Union Health Ministry said on Tuesday. The government has approved two vaccines, Covishield, the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine manufactured by Serum Institute of India, and Covaxin, which has been developed by Hyderabad based Bharat Biotech together with the Indian Council of Medical Research. In a joint press conference by the Health Ministry, ICMR, and the Niti Aayog, officials also clarified that the two doses of the vaccine will be administered 28 days apart, and the vaccine is expected to offer protection 14 days after the second dose is given. Bharatiya Kisan Union spokesperson Rakesh Tikait today said that farmers agitating at the Singhu border will stay put until the three controversial farm laws are repealed. Bill wapsi nahi to ghar wapsi nahi. We won't return home until the bills are taken back, he said on being asked about the Supreme Court's order on the three farm laws. The top court earlier today put on hold the three laws at the center of the massive farmers' protest near Delhi. It also said a committee would be formed to take over negotiations to end the crisis. Attorney General K.K. Venugopal on Tuesday told the Supreme Court that the Khalistani supporters have infiltrated the farmers' protest against the three farm laws. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde, comprising Justices A.S. Bopanna and V. Ramasubramaniam, told the AG that if there is infiltration by a banned organization, then the government has to confirm it and asked him to file an affidavit by Wednesday. To this, Attorney General K.K. Venugopal replied that he will file an affidavit and the IB reports as well. Bharat Biotech today said that it has signed an agreement with Precisa Medicamentos for the supply of Covaxin to Brazil. In principle, it is understood between both the parties that supplies of the vaccine will be prioritized for the public market through a direct procurement by Brazilian government, said a statement. Supplies to the private market would be based upon receipt of market authorization from Anvisa, which is a Brazilian regulatory authority. The center today said that the effectiveness of the vaccine will be seen after 14 days of getting the dose. The Karnataka High Court on Tuesday issued notice to the state government asking it to file its objection in a PIL challenging the recent ordinance promulgating the anti-cow slaughter bill. A division bench of Chief Justice Abhay Srinivas Oka and Justice Sachin Shankar Magadum issued the notice based on the petition filed by Muhammad Arif Jamil, a resident of Bangalore. The petitioner argued that the ordinance went against the fundamental rights of a citizen under Articles 14, Articles 19(1)(g) as well as Article 21 of the Constitution. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.